Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on the FTX token. Wanted to do a quick video on that. It's been a couple of days. I mean, I covered it last week, of course, when it was moving a lot, and now it's been a couple of days. It's not been moving that much. Today it was relatively bullish. You can see that it got a bit of a spike. But in general, FTT has been quite bearish actually. When it especially when it gave up holding $4. You can see that after that initial bullish momentum last week, it got all the way up to $5, and then the main support level was $4, but it broke down below that, and then right now you can see that it's it's either consolidating or in a bit of a downtrend right here, a bit of a bearish channel right here. So sure, we did get some bullish momentum earlier today, but that bullish momentum really does not mean that much at this moment. All right, the main level that the FTT should just break above is still $4. All right, if it breaks above $4, then that's great. All right, then you got a bullish breakout, and then $5 is probably next, and then we can start talking about potentially breaking above $5. But that's also not happening, and I also do not necessarily think that is going to happen. What you see right now is that, like I said, FTT is quite bullish, and that's great. But the open interest right now is by far not great enough. The open interest right now, you can see that we had some spikes today, but in general, ever since, like it's down a lot since last week. Last week it was around 1.2 million. Now it's around 0.4 million. All right, so that there's no momentum for FTT, and there's no structure break. All right, you need, if you want FTT to be bullish again, you would need to break through this bearish structure. And right now, the maximum price that FTT reached was 3.66. All right, so it did not even touch $4, and it has to break above $4. So yeah, there's. I mean, yesterday we did get some to dial back to the news. Yesterday we did get some news regarding just FTX being able to pay back more users, because Solana is doing pretty well, and Aptos has also of course gone up with the markets. So that's great, all right, but and that's also good news for a potential restart of FTX, which is obviously the main catalyst pushing FTT up. But it's not. It doesn't at this moment. It doesn't look like it's enough. All right. There's a bit more liquidity up here at 3.85 and $4. So I would say it's a possibility that FTT spikes up there. But at this moment, because of the momentum, I don't see it as a possibility. Well, it's of course a possibility that FTT breaks above $4 and then rallies up. But I don't think it's likely. All right, it's not what I expect. I expect FTT to spike up there perhaps, but then afterwards to continue down to the bottom of this range at around 2.7 at 2.6. And I expect it afterwards to just respect the market structure, which is bearish, until we get some more news regarding FTX potentially restarting, whatever can have effect on FTT. All right. So those are my thoughts. That's my analysis for now. So if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. And by the way, as you can see around the screen, if you're interested in my Signal group or my premium group, then there are links down in the description. All right, there you can check it out. You can read more about it, just in general, what it is and how to join. All right, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and bye.